Before we start, you will want to make sure your CASPR Compact is unplugged and laying on a flat surface. Make sure that you have a screwdriver with the new cell nearby. First, you will unscrew the small safety screw at the bottom of your compact. Proceed to remove the protective back panel and the black filter underneath. Next, you will unscrew the two thumb screws placed on each side, and then unplug the cell's cable. Now, removing the existing cell may be tricky, but don't fret. Just drop down the left side of the cell into the compact in order to remove and maneuver it out. Once the old cell is out, you will then grab your new cell. Make sure to pay attention to the two slots on the bottom of the cell. These will need to line up with the two ridges inside the compact. When placing the cell inside, turn the cell a little and drop it to the right. You may have to remove it so it can be placed on the two ridges. You will be able to see when the cell correctly lines up in the compact. After the cell is back in place, plug the cell cable back in and tighten the two thumb screws. Lastly, you will want to place the filter back in place with the mesh screen facing you and the honeycomb screen facing the interior of the compact. You can then proceed to slide the protective back panel back onto the compact. It is completely optional to your personal preferences if you wish to screw back in the safety screw at the bottom of the compact. This will not affect the compact's performance in any way. Just plug your compact back in and enjoy!